Welcome. This video will guide you through setting up your Google Nest Cam, ensuring your home is secure and connected. As of 2026, the setup process is streamlined through the Google Home app with enhanced AI and privacy features. We'll cover everything from unboxing to connecting to your Wi-Fi and customizing settings. Before we begin setting up your Google Nest Cam, make sure you have a few essential items ready. First, you'll need your Google Nest Cam, whether it's wired or battery powered. Next, ensure you have a stable 2.4 or 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi network with at least 2 megabytes upload speed. You'll also need your Wi-Fi password to connect the camera. Make sure you have an active Google account ready. Finally, download the latest version of the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. First, plug in your Nest Cam if it's a wired model, or ensure it's fully charged if it's battery powered. Then, open the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet and sign in with your Google account. This app serves as the central hub for all your Google Smart Home devices. In the Google Home app, tap the plus icon located at the top left to add a new device. Select Set Up Device, then choose Have Something Already Set Up. Scroll down and select Nest Cam. The app will now search for your camera. Make sure your camera is powered on and nearby. The app will prompt you to scan the QR code located on the camera or its base. Alternatively, you can manually enter the setup code. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. The app will test the connection, which may take a minute or two. Once your Nest Cam is connected to Wi-Fi, the Google Home app will guide you through configuring the essential settings to get your camera working properly. First, name your camera. This helps you identify it easily in the app. Choose a descriptive name that matches its location, such as front door or backyard. Next, position your camera using the on-screen guides provided by the app. These guides help you adjust the angle to capture the best view of your space. Now, enable the key features for your camera. Turn on motion detection to receive alerts when movement is detected, night vision for clear viewing in low light, and smart alerts for intelligent notifications. Finally, consider opting into privacy mode during setup. This option gives you control over data sharing and can limit how much information is stored in the cloud. The Nest Cam incorporates advanced artificial intelligence to make your home security smarter. AI features help the camera recognize and respond to specific situations automatically. One key AI feature is facial recognition, which can distinguish between familiar faces like family members and pets. However, this requires your explicit consent and opt-in to ensure privacy protection. To access the complete range of AI features, including 30-day cloud storage for video clips and advanced intelligent alerts, you'll need a Nest Aware subscription. This service starts at just $6 per month. Good news! Recent software updates allow for 24/7 continuous recording without needing a subscription. This uses your camera's local storage instead of cloud storage. Now that your Nest Cam is configured, it's time to test and troubleshoot. First, test the camera's video and audio feed to ensure everything is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, start by checking your Wi-Fi connection to make sure it's stable. Next, ensure the camera's firmware is up to date, specifically version 9.2 or later, as this includes important improvements. If problems persist, consult Google's support resources for detailed troubleshooting guides. Finally, remember to always check your work by testing the camera by walking in front of it to verify motion detection and video quality. Congratulations! Your Google Nest Cam setup is now complete and ready to use.